Hey guys, BagelMan47 here. Today we're going to be installing Windows XP on a bagel. This is a yummy Asiago bagel. I can't wait to put Windows on here because then it'll be even more tasty. So first we got to put in the install DVD. And to do that it's really quite simple. You just open the bagel like that. No knife required. Oh shit. You just put the CD in and then you put the bagel back. So we're just going to put this right here. And then we just have to plug in a keyboard and mouse. You kind of got to shove them in a little bit. Man, I'm really hungry. That bagel looks really good. Okay, powering on the computer. We're going to use the fat file system because I like my cream cheese full fat, extra creamy. It's formatting. Yay. Did you know that bagels have holes in them to make them bake faster and to make them stackable? Oh, I would love to eat a whole rack of bagels right about now. When is this Windows install going to be done? I need to put cream cheese on my bagel. Okay, here we are in the Windows XP Professional setup. Man, I wish I had Windows Professional to help me eat my bagel. Actually, no, I want my bagel to myself. No, I'm hungry right now. Give me these. Next. Name, bagel. Organization, bagel. Product key, oh, I know that one. Bagel, 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 bagel. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Administrator password, bagel. Oh yeah. What the hell does all this mean? How do I put bagel in here? Anything bagel shaped. Bagel. Oh, look at all those bagels. Stay up to date. I hope I can stay up to date with my bagels. Work group. Bagel. I'm gonna have bagels. Did you know that the government, they have birds as, they fly around and they take your bagels. That's why they invented birds, so they can come steal your bagels. That's why they love bread so much. They did that so that we can't have our bagels. We need to rise up to the government they're trying to take our bagels, that's my point. And, you need to kill every bird you see. Otherwise, we won't have any bagels by the year 2077. Oh, hell yeah. This is my fucking jam, dude. Help protect my PC? Sure. Anything to keep the government from taking the bagels away from me. That's all I care about. Who will use this computer? Bagel. Wait, what? Wait, are you fucking kidding me? Names must not be equal to bagel? I'm gonna have a fucking mental breakdown, I swear to hell. This is what I'm telling you guys. The government's trying to take away your bagels. And Microsoft is in on it. Microsoft is funding the government to take away your bagels. I knew it. I fucking knew it. This is the end of the straw for me, I swear to hell. There's gotta be a way to get around this. Bagel like that? Sure, fine. Assholes can't make my name a bagel. What the hell is wrong with you? Oh, that's the sound of a million bagels going in my mouth. What the hell is this ugly ass background? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. That's a lot of pixels. No, it's 1111. I wished for 1,000 bagels. Shut up. I wish for a lifetime of bagels. There would be so fucking many. Bagel.com. Damn it! The government's trying to take away our bagels. No! No. Yummy.